Here we are at Goldman's. We're going to pick for the cat and the dog biscuits. Yay! Okay, show the cat basket. Now show the basket. Where's the basket? Okay, shake it up.
What?
The cat.
And the winner is...
Well, they shouldn't be. Maria, you don't have anybody.
Kathy Duco.
Kathy Duco.
That's the woman who donated all the gold.
Yay! Congratulations, Kathy.
Wow.
Okay, let's do the dog basket.
Yeah, you're okay.
There's the dog basket. Okay, shake it up. And the winner
Bo
is...
Shepherd's puppy gone? Okay, Bo Shepherd's gone. This lab's gone?
Doo -doo -doo.
I don't think you have anything there. Isabella?
I can't read it.
Cats? What do they want to see?
Michelle something. Michelle Amicone. Yay! Congratulations.